Oh my God. Ready? Uh. Woo. Somebody call the people. Somebody call the people. Where are they? Get the phone. I need some people now to help me with all of this. Like, what? What? You must be outside your mind. What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. Shelby here. If you are new here, then thank you so much for hitting the play button. I hope that you will take the next and most important step and hit the subscribe button down below. You're gonna have a good time. You're gonna enjoy what I show you. I mean, I hope you enjoy what I show you. So yeah, come on and join the family. And then for those that are already subscribers, that are loyal followers, thank you, and I hope you brought a friend with you. As you can already see, I have my foundation and my base on already. I am going to do kind of a simple eye look. I was playing around with the DesixKaty collection a few days ago, and I really like it, and I was going for the look, you know, that everybody uses, the dirty money and then some of the mattes, but I think I want to try for something a little bit more subtle. So let's hop into the video and see where we land. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan. I really love this concealer. Honestly, of all the things that I've used, whether they be drugstore or otherwise, I still have to say this is one of my favorite concealers and concealers and eyeshadow primers. Like, I just like the way that it works. I like the way it sits, and I like the color. And as I said, my foundation is actually already done. If you want to see this foundation and my review of it, you can follow the link down below. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in collaboration with Alyssa Ashley. Shout out to Alyssa Ashley. The colors and the range is amazing. I will say that I probably need to try it when I'm not quite so tan, because I had a little bit of a struggle with my color, but I feel like it got itself to a place that works. But anyway, watch the video and you tell me what you think in the comments. All right, so as I said, I'm gonna hop into the DesixKaty Friendaction. I don't know why I'm about to drop it. Let's see. So the thing that I realized about this this collaboration when I first looked at it is that it looks like it has good transition shades, but then when I wore them, I was like, wow, these are actually really good transition shades. So I'm looking forward to playing mostly with those, and then I'll add a pop of glitter or shimmer or whatever. I'm not really sure which one. They're all really tempting, including this really pretty this blue slash, and at a different angle, I can't get it, but at a different angle it looks purple. Honestly, it's a really gorgeous color. It's called, I think it's called A Moment. Yeah, it's called A Moment. I'm a fan of that color, so maybe that's where I'll go, but that won't be subtle or neutral, but we'll see what happens. Hop into Basic, this that one, the matte shade in the upper, what is that, left corner. I'm gonna go into that with a pointed blender. I'm not getting a whole lot of color from this, but that's okay because I don't want too much. It's kind of a cool tone matte, but I do like it just as a foundation. Next, I'm going to go in to Churro, I think. Same blender. Yeah. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I'm just stamping slash sweeping this into the crease and on top of Basic. And I do not have a plan for what we're doing. I just want to play, so you're going to play with me. See where we end up. I'm going to hop in with a smaller shading brush and go into Girl Bye. It's a nice little reddy mauvey color. Just gonna pushing that up into my crease, kind of on top of churro. Is it churro? Yeah, on top of churro. Let me go back into churro with this brush and go back over the edge. Just a little bit of new product on it, just a little, not a lot. And just back and forth. Ooh, that blend is nice. It's a nice blend. Okay, they cooperate very well. I like that. Okay. Bring that red back. And with that same brush, I'm also going to bring it down into my lash line. Next up, I'm going to go in with, actually, I think I'm going to go in with Mean Money. Sorry, Dirty Money. Mean Money. What do I keep calling it? Mean Money. I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush from Ulta. I'm doing dry first, and then I'll go in wet. And I find that if you swipe, ooh, that color's so pretty. Ooh, if you swipe instead of pat with these colors, I feel like the payout is better, even if you're using your finger. Oh, look at that. And that's without even putting any eyeshadow primer on. New primer anyway. I have some, but not like a lot. Ooh, look at that color. And I don't want it to transfer, so I'm not taking it up too high. All right, let me go in with my finger and just go over it one more time. Oh, I'm gonna go back with this this one from, let's see, Eye Crease Brush from e.l.f. and go back into Girl Bye. Wow, wow, wow. Such a fan. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this all the way in. Because we did not come to play. No, she did not come to play. What? Now, if your eyes are smaller than mine, which they may very well be, then you probably should not go too far down. But my eyes are big, so I'm going to go with it. Let me see. I'm going to go back into Churro. I'm going to go back into Churro and just go underneath with the same brush just to smooth it out. And I'm going to put Dirty Money in on my inner tear dot. I'm going to line it, but I'm not going to wing it. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced You're So Too Faced liner. Actually, first, let me make this eye match this eye, and then we'll go ahead and go into that. So this eye officially matches this eye, or the other way around. Yeah, that. Okay, so I am going to go in with the You're So Too Faced liquid liner in the color, actually there's only one color, black. Going with black. Yeah. What I want. I'm top line with black. I'm not going to wing it because I don't think it needs it, but we'll see how big the lashes end up. Let's go in with MAC's Technakhol in black for my waterline. So I don't want the black liner to just end there in the corner like that, or do I? I'm gonna smudge a little bit more of Girl Bye under my into my lash line and into the corner too, just a little bit, just gonna bring it together. It actually turned into a little bit of a kitten wing, so I'll leave that. Is a kitten wing a word? Did I just make that up? It's possible. Oh, so I'm gonna go in with the Midnight Lash from Kiss Lashes. And I don't know if I've ever said this, but I use the Kiss Lash Glue. I've used the Duo Lash Glue. I'm an equal opportunity lash glue user. So I'm gonna put the glue on the lashes first, then I'll go ahead and do some mascara and maybe some blush, depending on how long it takes these to dry. While my lash glue is drying, let's go ahead and add some blush and some highlighter. DesiXKaty Chasing the Sun highlighter. I'm going to use a small brush to put this on because baby girl is pigmented. Go ahead and put this on the bridge of my nose. And then the tip. Look a little bit like Rudolph. Don't care. These are incredibly dramatic. And the singing makes me feel like I'm in an episode of Wicked, which is fine. Well, Wicked didn't have episodes, but you know what I mean. Going with some blush. And for blush, we're going to go in with Nars Dolce Vita, oldie but goodie, lightly. Oh, I forgot my inner corner highlight. Let's do Dirty Money. Let's do Dirty Money. One with a smudger brush. I feel like it'll mimic a finger. Oh, see the transfer there? I tried so hard. And it's still there. To keep it together till we get to the final look. Okay. All right. So, last but not least, lips. My camera wasn't recording, but this is the Buff color by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a really nice mauve color. I feel like it complements the eyes and it goes on so smooth. This is our finished look. I think it looks good. It looks really good. I am such a sucker for a mauve, pink, or purple eye. So this was like in my wheelhouse, but not because I've got the Dirty Money right in the middle. I wasn't sure if that was going to work, but I feel like she's rocking. So we're going to go with it. And even like, I feel like my contour looks good. Like this is good. If I can redo this, if I can repeat this, maybe I'll follow my own instructions. I will rock this again. Maybe with a wing. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, thoughts. Still in love with the DesiXKaty collab with Dose of Colors ×2. And I love this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. Kiss lashes are the GOAT. I love the, what's it called? Y'all, what are they called? I'm looking right at them. Let's see. The Batty Bee lashes, but they would have been too big for this. So I like this. Even these could be a little bit too big, but depends on where I'm going, you know. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this playtime with me. And let me know what you'd like to see. If there's something you want me to play with, you just let me know. Comment down below. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Should be right about here. I'm doing magic with my hands. And thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome